Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Creavidico. Like, share and subscribe to our channel if you are new and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So the rules that you have to put, for example, if I am asking, showing the question 1, then you have to put the response in the chat box. A, B, C, D, there will be option like that. Okay. So let us start with the first question. Today's questions will be very basic questions of knowledge and curriculum. Okay. Let us start. The question is, what is the origin of the word education? You can give the response in the chat box. Okay, maximum have given C and A. There is confusion between A and C. Okay. Okay, A, C again, C, A, D also. Okay. Okay, we have get the response. Those who have given the answer, A is the correct answer. The word educations comes from E plus duco. Okay, the response is A response is correct. Okay. Then the next question is, what is called education acquired without any specific purpose, fixed period and place? Yes, everyone give the correct response. It is C. Means the informal education, and where there is a proper plan, rules and regulation, fixed period of time is, for example, the schools that will come under the formal education system. All are correct. Okay, let's move to the another question. Question number 3. What are the 3 components of the education? Put the response in chat box. Okay. What are the 3 components of the education process? Education, teacher and books, teacher, student and education, teaching, learning and practice, and direction, instruction and skill. Some are C, B, D, again C, B. What are the 3 components of educational process? B, C, D. Okay, there is a lot more confusion in C, B, and D. Okay, let us see. C is teaching, learning, and practice. B is teacher, student, and education. And some are given the D option also, direction, instruction, and skill. So let us see the correct answer. It is B, the teacher, students, and education. Okay, because in a maybe you have heard the triangular process of education system. There comes the teacher, students, and the learning process means the education. So that's why the in educational process, these 3 components, teachers, students, and educations are very much important, or they are the 3 components in the educational process. That's why it is also called as tripolar process. Questions can be come as a tripolar process also. Okay. Then let us move forward to the next question, question number 4. What is teaching through deductive method? Okay, maximum have given A. Okay, all have given A. From general to specific. Okay, let us see the answer then. Yes, it is A. If I will ask the question as what is the teaching through inductive method, what will be the answer? Same question, inductive method. What will be the answer?
From specific to general.
Yes,
Specific
from
to general.
specific to general. Yes, correct. Those who find problem to remember this, they can remember like in a deductive process, we go from general to specific means D shortcut you can remember D, G, S like that, and in inductive I, S, G like that also you can remember. Okay, this is a shortcut I am telling about. Okay, let's move forward to the next question, which is 5 number question. Question is about which is the first school for a child's education? Response in the chat box.
Family room तेवढा कर.
Give,
कितना number था?
give your response in the chat box. C. Yes, all have given the C. And let us see. And it is the correct response. Means in case of a child's first school, we receive education from our family. This is a very basic question. And then from our schools, society and friends. Okay, these are the others institution. If the question will come, what are the other institutions of education? Then you have to mention the society, schools, friends as other institutions of education. And the first institutions is the family. Okay, let us see the next question. Okay, number 6. Response in the chat box, please. Who was the supporter of naturalism in education?
Good morning.
Rousseau.
Good morning. Sorry, good afternoon. It is. Okay, you can respond in the chat box. Already response are coming. Some are B and some are D. Okay, there is a confusion between D and B. Okay, let us see. I'm muting. Okay, you can give the response in chat box. Okay. Let us see. Yes, maximum response are D. And it is the correct response. D is the correct response. D is the correct answer. Means naturalism education has been provided by Rousseau. Okay. Rousseau has given the naturalism education, the from where we get the natures. So I will not discuss more because there are many questions. Okay, let us see the other questions. Good, very good. Those who have given the right response. Then question number 7. What is the main center of informal education? Yes, maximum have given D as it is correct. And someone has given B as answer. A also. How A will become the informal education? In informal education, yes, it is also A also, B also, and C also. Means all of the above are the center of informal education. Means we learn from our society without any rules and regulations, without a formal जो मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले बोला था, without formal rules and regulation, we learn from our society. Then family also, radio and televisions, all of the. That's why it will be the correct answer will be D. Okay. So let us move forward to the next question. Who raised the slogan "Back to Nature"? C. C maximum have given the response C, and one only Nani have given A response. No, it is not correct, Nani. It will be C. I have talked about it in here also about Rousseau. The word naturalism means the nature of education, means the to give educations in terms of nature, surroundings, by playing method with the help of natures. We Rousseau have suggested to give education in terms of natural surrounding. So automatically in here, what is the concept? Back to the nature. In this, that's why it will be the slogan of naturalism. Okay, that's why the correct response is C. Very good. You have given the right responses. All have given the right responses. Okay, move to the next question, number 9. Religious education is strongly advocated by pragmatism, idealism, realist means realism, or existentialism or existentialist. Okay, maximum have given B and only one C. Yes, and one A. But the correct response is B. The idealism or the idealist have given or say they have suggested strongly on the concept of religious moral development in terms of educations. According to them, the education should develop the religious perspective, moral perspective, intellectual, aesthetic, and physical perspective in terms of education. And they have emphasized on physical health also, that they believe that sound health through spiritual values. So that's why they have stressed on religious education strongly by the idealism or idealist. Okay, that's why the response B is correct. Very good. Okay, let us move forward the next question number 10. Which school of philosophy of education advocated project method of teaching? Realism, pragmatism, idealism, or naturalism? Maximum have given response B. Some of have given A also. Yeah, yes, A and B. There is confusion between A and B. Okay. The correct response is B. As I have already taught in the classroom also, that in pragmatism or pragmatist philosophy mainly advocates or mainly stressed upon the project method of teachings, means to relate educations with the project method, means the practical method. And if it is a problem to remember that what pragmatism has suggested, then you can remember by the letter P. The letter P denotes that it is related to the practical concept and it is related to the project concept, means the education should provided in terms of demonstration method, learning by doing method, means you have to show them, then only they will or the students will learn. So that's why pragmatism philosophy stress upon to give education in terms of project method of teaching. Okay, okay, let us move forward with the next question. 11 number questions, which is playaway method of teaching has been emphasized in the scheme of the education of A, some D. Pragmatism. Okay, some are pragmatism A. But here it is that the playaway method of teaching has been emphasized in the scheme of education. They have mainly stressed the needs of that purpose. For example, let us see the answer. It will be A. If there is these options, means naturalism has emphasized more in playaway method. They have directly said that playaway method should be given to the students. But in pragmatism, it is related to the project methods, means there should be some practical activities like excursion, or you can say means demonstration method, that type of activity where the person is active, where the students are active. But naturalism has suggested directly that all over the education system should based on the playaway method. means learning by playing method has been stressed by more in naturalism philosophy. Means Rousseau have given the idea of that in the terms of nature, in the natural surrounding, the student should or the child should be kept and he should given different instrument of playing. With that instrument he will learn. So play if this type of question will come, then directly use if you see that naturalism is the option, then you have to go for naturalism. Okay, the correct response is A. Let us move forward to the next question, 12. Who emphasized education should be a social process? Okay, A response is coming, and there is confusion between C and A also. Okay, let us see what is the correct response. The correct response is D. Means DV had given emphasis on the education which should be a social process. Okay, if this is the question that international brotherhood has been given importance by whom? I'm asking just now. Who will be the correct response? International brotherhood.
It's
Vivekanand.
Vivekanand.
Yes, Vivekananda will be the correct answer. Okay, then move forward to the question number 13. Epistemology is the branch of philosophy concerned with the theory of which? Give the response.
Ma'am, knowledge.
Okay.
Ma'am,
let
philosophy
us
of
see.
education.
Philosophy of education, DC. DC, confusion is in DC. Okay. If I will say, this is a direct question, okay? Epistemology is the branch of philosophy concerned with the theory of, as we all know, what does epistemology means? It is the, if we will ask that what does epistemology means, it is directly related to the knowledge concept. So here it is asking epistemology is the branch of philosophy concerned with the theory of, you have to mention the knowledge, okay? Because epistemology itself means the knowledge, then it will come under education or in a different branch we can carry it. But if we will ask that epistemology is a branch of philosophy concerned with which theory, then you have to mention knowledge theory, because epistemology itself speaks about knowledge. Okay, okay, then one more question is there. According to famous philosopher, teaching is an give the response in the chat box. Yes, everyone has given the right response. It is A. The teaching is an art. Okay, very good. Okay, let us move for the next question. Why is teaching training necessary? Give your responses. Yes, yes, D. Very good. Oh, one have given C also. But all are important. All of the above. Increase teaching skills, understanding methods of school organization. Means why we need teaching training, why you are doing B.Ed, why we are doing M.Ed, because of to increase the teaching skills of our, because to know or to understand the methods of different teaching, of different methods of school organization, and to upgrade our knowledge of the content matters. So all of these are very necessary in teaching training process. Okay, then move forward to the next question, which is 16. Which one is not the source of formal education? Not, and always remember to study the question very carefully, whether there is a positive question or a negative question. Okay, which one is the not which one is not the source of formal education? Okay, maximum having can B, D. Okay, D and B. Okay, let us see the correct response. It is D. Home. Home is not the source of formal education. घर में हम लोग formally रहते हैं क्या? या फिर जो भी घर में हम लोग सीखते हैं एजुकेशन या फिर कुछ भी लर्निंग, देयर इज नो सर्टेन प्लान कि आज हम लोग नेक्स्ट डे हम लोग ये सीखेंगे या फिर इस टाइमिंग में हम लोग ये सीखेंगे. सो देयर इज नो सर्टेन rules and regulations in home, so that is not a part of formal education. Okay, but in school it is a part of formal education. म्यूजियम में भी कुछ ना कुछ हम वहाँ पे rules and regulation रहता है, therefore it is also part of formal and library also. Okay, let us move forward, and the correct response is D. Okay, let us move forward. Okay, the last question maybe. The literal meaning of philosophy is, give the responses. Some are A, B, C. Okay, randomly you are giving A, B, C, and D. All are giving. Okay, let us see the response. Correct answer. It is D. Love of wisdom. Philosophy always talks about the thinking or the thought process. So that's why it is related directly with the wisdom process. So the literal or the literature meaning of philosophy is love of wisdom. Okay. The correct response is D. Okay, there is one more question. Sorry, okay. John Dewey was an exponent of which idea? Realism, pragmatism, naturalism, or idealism? Okay, realism, A, B, C. Okay, let us see the correct response. Maximum have given A. Okay, let us see. The correct response is idealism. John Dewey was an exponent of idealism. Okay, remember? Okay, maybe there is no more questions. Okay, so I hope आप लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखने को मिला है आज, and this will maybe help you in the examination also.